Welcome to Luxury Beast YouTube channel where we can explore all topics related to luxury. For more upcoming videos, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Like, comment, and share to your friends. Management of deposits, lending, wealth management, currency exchange, and investment banking are just a few of the many products and services offered by banks. Consumers, businesses, and numerous other sorts of institutions are among these banks' clients. The wealthiest bank today provides savings and checking accounts, certificates of deposit, loans, and other services to their typical clientele, which also includes individuals as well as big and small businesses. The majority of banks' achievements and riches, although they may be explained by a number of factors, including how well their respective economies are performing. And here is a list of your concerns if you have no background in banking and are interested in learning which banks are the richest in the world. We'll explore the 10 wealthiest banks around the globe as measured by the value of their assets. On the list, starting at the bottom is number 10, Crédit Agricole Group. Total assets, $2.67 trillion. One of the biggest business in France is a bank that is owned by French citizens. It is the biggest cooperative financial organization in the world and transformed into a global full-service banking group in 1990. Instead, it was made up of a sizable network of neighborhood banks and 39 Crédit Agricole regional banks. It has its headquarters in Montreux, France, and offers a range of services to clients all around the world. The bank is recognized for its lengthy working relationships with the agriculture sector and controls a sizable portion of the French banking system. Due to its size, the Crédit Agricole Group operates in 47 different countries and has over 147,000 workers and 53 million clients. Due to the global economic slump, Crédit Agricole Group faces short-term challenges similar to those faced by other global banks. Number 9. BNP Paribas. Total assets, $2.91 trillion. The next company on the list is the French multinational banking corporation BNP Paribas. By total assets, it is currently the 9th largest bank in the world and is active in 77 nations. Additionally, in 2000, Paribas and the Banque Nationale de Paris or BNP merged to establish the bank. Actually, the bank is thought to have been established in 1848 and had its headquarters in Paris, France. The French bank operates in 65 countries and employs about 190,000 people. Lars McHenil, CFO of BNP Paribas, stated during a Q2 results call that despite selling Bank of the West to Bank of Montreal for $16.3 billion, the bank is allegedly less interested in purchasing another bank with the money. Rather, BNP Paribas intends to use the money to fund new investments that could speed up organic development. Number 8. HSBC Holding PLC. Total assets goal in $2.95 trillion. It is a British financial holding firm and global investment bank. In addition, the bank has more than 1,000 branches, 8 offices in the United Kingdom, 460 locations across the United States, and more than 4 million clients globally. Clients of this bank have access to retail, corporate, private, and commercial banking services, with a pre-tax income of $6.5 billion as opposed to the estimated $6 billion in the same quarter last year's $5.5 billion. HSBC Holdings PLC posted greater than anticipated profits for its third quarter. HSBC Holdings PLC has agreed to stick to its expectation of a 50% dividend payout ratio for 2023 and 2024. Despite the fact that profits are higher, HSBC Holdings PLC has experienced better returns in 2022. similar to many other banks, but the bank may see challenges if the global economy weakens. Number 7. Bank of America Corporation. Total assets $3.17 trillion. This bank has assets worth $3.17 trillion, making it the second largest banking organization in America. It handles mostly commercial banking, wealth management, and investment banking, serving 10.73% of bank deposits in the United States. Nevertheless, it was established in 1784 and has its headquarters in Charlotte, North Carolina. Currently, this bank has 5,000 financial retail locations, where it serves customers from all over the world. With over 208,000 employees in 2008, it's one of the biggest businesses in the US. It became the biggest wealth manager in the world after acquiring Merrill Lynch. Nevertheless, it is a component of the S&P 500 index and is listed on the New York Stock Exchange. Number 6. Mitsubishi UFJ Financial Group Incorporated. Total assets $3.18 trillion. Ranking as the 6th largest bank on our list, it is the largest bank holding financial group in Japan, with $3.18 trillion in total assets. It is also one of the core businesses of Mitsubishi Corporation and provides a range of services to its clients, namely trust banking, commercial banking, asset management, and international finance. The stock of Mitsubishi UFJ Financial Group Inc. has fallen almost 14% year-to-date as a result of negative factors. Number 5. JPMorgan Chase & Co. Total assets $3.74 trillion. With $3.74 trillion in assets, JPMorgan Chase & Co. is the biggest bank in the United States. Despite potential challenges in the event of a recession, the bank is in a strong position over the lengthy period given its size and financial stability. Because of its size, JPMorgan Chase & Co. is able to invest more in technology than many of its rivals, which may lead to increased market share and profit margins. Despite the unstable economic environment, JPMorgan Chase & Co. may be able to buy back more shares thanks to its strong financial position. Inside the company's third quarter results, CEO Jamie Dimon stated, "Notably, we are continuing to make all the investments that are necessary to grow our businesses and service our clients. We also expect to be able to continue stock buybacks soon, this year or next." Number 4. Bank of China. Total assets $4.21 trillion. The first of the major 4 Asian banks on our list is China's bank. The 4th largest bank in the world by total assets is the Bank of China. Despite being the smallest of the big 4 Chinese state-owned banks, the Bank of China, which has assets of around $4.21 trillion, is a major player in China's expanding economy. The nation's economy might expand more quickly if the Bank of China produces high-quality loans, and the bank could possibly become more profitable. Number 3. Agricultural Bank of China. Total assets $4.58 trillion. The Agricultural Bank of China is the 3rd largest bank on the planet by assets. With a total of over $4.6 trillion, lately the Agricultural Bank of China lowered its rate of interest on 3-year savings by 0.15% over the period, joining the other big 4 Chinese state-owned banks in doing so. This move may enable the bank to drop its borrowing costs. In the long term, the economy of China and the Agricultural Bank of China may both benefit from reduced lending rates. Number 2. China Construction Bank. Total assets $4.76 trillion. It is the 2nd largest bank worldwide. China Construction Bank is a significant financial institution for the economy as one of the 4 major state-owned banks in China. China's economy is growing less slowly than it was, and thus China Construction Bank's growth might not be as robust as it once was in the near future. Number 1. Industrial and Commercial Bank of China. Total assets $5.54 trillion. ICBC, also known as the Industrial and Commercial Bank of China, has more than $5.5 trillion in assets, making it the biggest bank in the world. The Industrial and Commercial Bank of China, one of the 4 major state-owned banks in China and the second largest economy in the world, has enormous scale, with about 9.7 million corporate clients and 704 million individual clients. The Industrial and Commercial Bank of China actually reduced its deposit rates, following the lead of other Chinese state-owned banks, in an effort to possibly lower loan rates as well. We hope you enjoy our list of the richest banks in the world and have learned something new about financial institutions and their benefits. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate notifications so you do not miss a single video. Until next time.